Hello, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're good. I hope you're keeping safe. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Mercy. If today is the first time of seeing me or coming across my video, you are highly welcome. God bless you for clicking to watch my video. Yes, please consider to join this family. Subscribe, select all, and the Lord will bless you. Please share the video and give it a like. Put your comments at the comments section below and it will be duly attended to. Okay, to my return subscribers, for clicking to subscribe into this channel, God bless you. Good things of life, heaven will subscribe to you. Yes, all your desires in Jesus' name. All right, I want to quickly talk about a very important thing today. Very important topic. How you can enter the covenant of life. Yes, and be free, and not to be afraid that you're going to die. How you can enter into the covenant of life with appreciation of your gift. Now, as a living being, as a flesh, God has given us the grace to live on earth for 120 years. 120 years to live. Because as God said, as man is flesh, man shall live 120 years. But how many people are still even living up to 50? They just die like chicken. Like I told you this, yes, those of you that I posted a video, the young man that was supposed to graduate yesterday, being 14th of December, died on Sunday in a swimming pool. The enemy went and wait for the man in the swimming pool. He died while swimming. You can imagine that there are forces that stays inside the water that have been sent to kill him because they monitor you. They are monitoring you. The whole universe, they know everything. Why are you going to hide from them? That is why you always need the mercy of God. That is why you need to enter the covenant of life with the Lord. Okay? Now, appreciation. That is the main thing. You're going to be appreciating God for your life. Using something that has life to say thank you in exchange for your life. When God demanded for the life of Isaac, Abraham was willing to offer Isaac as a sacrifice. But God see the heart of Abraham. I know Abraham doesn't have much. He now said, no, keep your son, give me a ram. Now that is where this appreciation comes in. The year is about to end. The new year will begin again. I want you to go. What you can afford, go and do something that has life to appreciate God in exchange of your life. Now, once you have done this, God will, his eyes will be on you. Whenever evil wants to come, he will use that, your sacrifice, your gift, to stand and say no. When God told the prophet to tell Ezekiel that you're going to die, Ezekiel went and faced the work and began to remind God all the good things he has done. And God extended his life. It's as simple as that. How do you do it? If you know you can afford a cow, you know the price of a cow, or you can afford a goat, or you can afford a chicken, that is the exact amount you're going to be choosing for this sacrifice of thanksgiving and appreciation, in order to enter into covenant of life, that you will not die and none of your family will die, in Jesus' name. Now the Lord said I should tell you that this offering, this money you are going to monetize your gift, is not going to those that have. It's not for that your pastor or that your prophet that has. No, he said it's going to the orphanage, the less privileged, the widows, the widowers. That is where the Thanksgiving offering will be going to. I will be placing my number on the screen. If you are interested, you want to enter into covenant of life with God according to his word, Genesis chapter 6, verse 3, that you will not die. Yes, you can call me, send your message, and I will send in the name of the ministry to you. Now, the name of the ministry that are going to back you up is Mighty Hand of God Intervention. Almighty Hand of God Intervention, Deliverance and Prosperity Ministry. Yes, when the mighty hand of God intervene in your life, he will show you mercy, he will deliver you, and he will prosper you. That is the ministry that will be carrying out this your prayer backup for you. They are the ones that will be going to this orphanage home on your behalf. Yes, don't ask me who is the founder of the ministry. I will tell you. Now, can I quickly tell you a little testimony of a friend of mine earlier this year, middle of this year? During that time, Corona was really high. It was really hot. And she called me, she had a dream. When she wake up in that dream, she started feeling a very sharp pain at her left breast. You know, there was this lump growing fast. She has been praying and praying, but because she knows me as like this person is a spiritual woman, okay? Yes, I'm a spiritual woman. So she called me. I said, okay, let me just go to the spirit and know what to do. And what the Lord asked for her is just an appreciation. I told her, the Lord said, you're going to appreciate him with something that have life. What can you offer? She said she can only afford to give God a chicken. I said, okay, in this chicken, you must not price it. Don't let them price your life. And she said, okay. But she happens to see me. She's, yes. So we carry out the prayer, and immediately I lay my hand on her. She fell down. I was surprised because it was even in her office. I went there, you know. And when she stood up, I was looking at her. She said something left her. Now, that was how the lump disappeared from her breast. That was how she was free from breast cancer. Another sister again, after she carried out this sacrifice of thanksgiving, exchanging her life by giving God with something that has life. She escaped death in 6 times. There was one, she was inside the vehicle, and they were shooting the gun. Sorry for that noise. They were shooting the guns. Fire outbreak, gas accidents, so many things. She was untouched. And she looked at him and said, woman of God, thank you. It's not everything you cast and burn. You don't want to live a life of wearing protection. You want to, when you are going out, you tie your waist, your leg, your hand, your neck, everywhere. You want to carry protection. If it's your hand, you are wearing the ring. When accidents happen, the hand cut off. The protection is gone. But if you have entered into covenant with the Lord, telling him that Genesis 6 verse 3 has said that I will live 120, no matter the sickness, they can't kill you. No matter how they try, how they send the arrow, they can't kill you. Because I'm going to tell you what you will be doing by the time you have done this, your Thanksgiving. Now, earlier this year, when the ministry went to the orphanage house to carry out to give out the appreciation gifts in exchange for God to protect their life. You know, there are these crippled, blind, they don't want to roam around the streets, but somebody have put them together and taken care of them. One of these lady was blind. So she introduced herself because she heard my voice. I wanted to shake her. She said, no, I can't see you, but I can hear your voice. Please patronize me. If you can buy this thing, bead that I'm making, that is where I can contribute to this orphanage house. And I was touched. Look at the bead. That's what I'm wearing. Okay? He said, if you can buy, I have also made my own today contribution to this orphanage. So I bought mine. Now, whatever you're going to choose is not going to those that have. That's what the Lord said I should tell you. it will be going to those that doesn't have, and this ministry will want to back you up. By the time you have given this your own sacrifice, your own appreciation gifts in exchange for God to protect your life, I will ask you to get a rope. Now this one is very fast, but you can get a rope. I will ask you to get a rope. You know, when you go to the market to buy a cow, they will definitely tie the cow with rope. If you go to market to buy a goat, they will definitely tie the goat with rope, or even a chicken. So you're going to get this rope, then you can connect me. I will be praying for you live like this as you are watching me, or through WhatsApp or Messenger. We can talk. I will be praying live. Okay? Then you will keep your rope. I will speak to the rope directly like this. You will hold your rope and I will pray directly. Then you are going to keep this your rope. Okay? Whenever you face challenges, you had a dream or you went to work, they threatened to sack your water, you just lift up your rope. When you get home and just waving, you just be waving it like this in thanksgiving. You just be waving the rope in thanksgiving, in appreciation. You are telling God, this is my covenant. I have already entered into covenant with you that there will be no loss. Yes. No matter what. You begin to appreciate God. Let's show him the evidence that, remember, I have done my part. By the time you do this, that is how the problem will wave away. All the problem will begin to fly. Will begin to fly. Because you have something to hold God into. All right. Thank you for listening to me and watching. Please, I want to encourage you. I hardly wake up and pray I shall not die, because I have entered into covenant of life with the one that has created me. I have tell him, instead of me to die, I have given you something that have life. Let that thing go away with the death, and he will always protect me. Yes. All right. See you again in my next video.